It seems like Huawei have lost its access on Google services like the App Store, Gmail, Google Photos, and more. But the worst part of it is Huawei also seems to have lost access to the updates of the operating systems and security updates. No further updates for old and new devices like the recent P30 or the Mate 20. Google, the creator of Android, took this action after the US Commerce Department put Huawei on an entity list, and Huawei had free access to this list because it is engaged with activities that are contrary to the US national security or foreign policy interest. ZTE was also added to this list and it was removed after, but that caused severe secondary effects to the company. Speaking of severe effects, Intel processors are prone to attacks from speculative execution order found in all of them. Feature also targeted by Spectre and Meltdown attacks. The found collection of attacks are RILD, ZombieLoad, Fallout, and Store-to-Lake forwarding, but Intel grouped them in the name of MDS for microarchitectural data sampling. These vulnerabilities allow attackers to steal data using speculative execution. Speculative execution is the process that a modern processor uses to guess what the user will do before doing it. If you constantly use an app or you have a usage pattern, the processor will do its best to preload the apps, but when it's wrong, it just throws that data. This data can be filled with user data and used on your behalf. The best thing to do is to update your operating system, your BIOS, and also your browser as fast as the updates are available. And to disable hyperthreading, and do yourself a favor, delete all these nasty files stored on your device. Whoa! At this point, this video is filled with only problems from companies like WhatsApp. Lately, WhatsApp was targeted by a spyware known as Pegasus, like the horse. What is a spyware again? Oh yeah, sorry. A spyware is an unwanted software that infiltrates your device, stealing your usage data and sensitive information. Oh yeah, I kinda knew it. But yeah, I guess. This spyware is installed simply by a phone call, whether you insert it or not. I urge you to update your WhatsApp to the latest version if you want to avoid being spied on by an old pervert from across the world. Wait, you said that spyware is an unwanted software that steals data? Yeah? So if I download a spyware while knowing it, generally you want to know how to remove it. It won't be with a spyware because I already knew it at the first place. So will I be safe? You know what? Thanks for watching this video. I will catch you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and protected.